Hi everyone, welcome back to another Canva tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how we can make a double outline effect on text. So we're starting with our blank canvas. Head over to text, add a heading and type in the text you want to use. So I'm just going to use the word text. I'm going to change the font to be quite a blocky font, make it larger so we can see, and I'm going to head up to advanced settings and I'm just going to increase the letter spacing slightly so we can see the full effect of the double outline. Now we've done that, head over to effects and the outline option, and there we can see now it's put us an outline on it. So I'm just going to change the colour to make it something brighter. So we're going to use bright green and I'm going to increase the thickness to 100. There we go, that looks perfect. Now we need to duplicate that, and again now we're going to head over to effects, outline again, and for this one we're going to make the outline 150 and we are going to then change the colour. So I'm just going to use bright purple so we can see the contrast. Now what we need to do next is we need to select position and we're going to send that to the back, and then now we're going to line that up under the text with the green outline, and there we can see now that has created us a double outline on our word text. That's a really quick and easy way that you can add double outlines to text on your documents. Hope you found this really helpful. Thanks for watching. See you all again soon.